English Phrases Explained. Concert Tickets. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and practical topic in English: concert tickets. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this common phrase. Concert tickets are passes that allow you entry to a musical performance. Think of them as your golden key to experiencing live music. These tickets can range from paper slips to digital codes, and they usually contain important details like the date, time, venue, and sometimes the seat number. Let's look at how to incorporate concert tickets into sentences. For example, I bought concert tickets for the Coldplay show next month. She lost her concert tickets and couldn't attend the festival. We're giving away concert tickets on our radio show. These examples show different actions related to concert tickets: buying, losing, and giving away. There are several types of concert tickets. 1. General admission allows access to the concert but without a reserved seat. 2. VIP tickets. These offer special perks like front row seats or backstage access. 3. Season passes. For regular attendees, these passes allow access to multiple concerts over a season. You can purchase concert tickets online through official websites or ticket-selling platforms, at the venue's box office, through resellers, though be cautious of scams. Here are some quick tips. Buy early to avoid sold-out shows. Check for discounts or early bird offers. Verify authenticity when purchasing from resellers. That's a wrap on concert tickets. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding and confidence in using this phrase in English. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy the music.